Time now for the Executive Edge and a rare interview with Alexandre Arnault. Did I say that right? Alexander Arnault. He's the son of billionaire LVMH chairman Bernard Arnault. Robert Frank joins us with more on this. Robert, good morning.
Good morning, Becky. Good to see you. Now, 2 years after LVMH acquired Tiffany for $16 billion, Tiffany's profits have doubled. Its flagship store in New York, which once generated 10% of sales, has reopened after a renovation costing hundreds of millions of dollars. It is the most expensive store ever for LVMH, and it's got some nice stores. Now, Alexander Arnault said LVMH thinks about the next decade, not the next quarter, when it comes to its brands.
To invest as much money as we wanted, we were able to take the time we needed to make the store the perfect jewel box versus being pressured by the street or others saying we have to open, we have to open, we have to open. So I think this store is the real definition of how long-term vision.
Other parts of its strategy, LVMH is moving up the value chain at Tiffany, so it's got new higher-priced product lines. Now this, you're looking at the new VIP sales room of the new New York store. They call it the Landmark store. Prices to get into the VIP area start at $200,000, and the products there go to millions of dollars. Ironically, by not focusing on the short-term share price, their share price, of course, up 28% this year.
So when you say to get into this room, it's $200,000 at the entry level, do you have to agree to buy something before you walk in the door?
I think you have to agree to be a serious looker at a $200,000 product to get in there.
I mean, there are stores here where they kind of lock the doors and don't let you in unless, I guess they check you out pretty closely.
They do, and they look at your sales history, and you know, if you've bought a lot of products there before, it's probably easier to get up there.
So
Blue Box Cafe also opening there, which is...
What's the cheap $200,000 product then?
I don't know. Remember, Audrey Hepburn walked in the famous movie and asked for a $10. Do you have anything for $10? So that would be $100.
A sterling silver telephone dialer.
Right, that's right.
$10.
And I asked if they had anything at $100, which is the inflation equivalent today, and they said maybe some perfume or a scent. So,
or a spray of it.
Exactly.
Robert, thank you.
Thank you.